Okay, so here we are in ED Showroom, Ellen DeGeneres. We're with Mark Grattan, and we're going to highlight, he is launching his new beautiful furniture collection here, and talk a little bit about the inspiration behind this and how you kind of got into it. You were telling me a good story about it earlier, so we want to continue with that.
Okay, where can I start? The inspiration was a little unknown for me because I don't design for the masses. I'm not used to this language. I'm not used to sort of the curriculum that surrounds designing something for a larger audience. My work is typically collectible. It's typically very opinionated. It's typically a huge amount of different material processes and intricacies. So it was a huge design brief challenge to sort of hone in on, the simplicity of manufacturability or, efficiency in production, or even efficiency in the home. I guess it was a success for this first stage prototype for this sofa that I designed for Ellen DeGeneres, which was when I was on Ellen's Next Great Designer in 2021. She asked me to design a piece for her collection, which is by Ellen. And it's been probably about a 2-year process. This is the first day I'm seeing it in real life. I think it's relatively successful for being a critical designer, the critical designer that I am.
I was going to ask you, how do you feel about it? It's like a reveal to all the people and to yourself too. So that has to be an interesting feeling to see something that you created for the very first time.
I mean, sometimes I do see things for the first time, but I've seen bits and parts of it coming together, and I've never seen the whole thing at the end, but I've at least seen the parts. But in this particular instance, I'm seeing the whole thing without the parts in one moment and sort of still processing all of the information and trying to sort of keep my mouth shut and not say bad things, because all I want to do is rip it apart and talk all the bad about it. But it's really beautiful, and I have to be really proud of the accomplishments of EJ Victor. I have to be proud of the accomplishments of myself, knowing or not knowing what it looks like or what will be the outcome. So I'm really happy for that.
So you don't want to not self-critique.
I'm not going to self-critique because I'm learning to just be a little more present and be a little more grateful for, as a whole. So
appreciate the beauty is what it is. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's amazing. Well, thank you for talking to me, and congratulations and good luck with everything. It was a pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.